Access and navigate your student financial aid portal. From PeopleSoft Campus Solutions, select the Student Homepage tile, then select the Financial Aid tile. Under View Financial Aid, select Aid Year 2027. This will bring you into the Oracle SFA Student Portal. Welcome to the Student Financial Aid SFA Student Portal. Here, you can click on the Documents tab to upload any documents requiring attention with the Upload icon. Fill in any required information and submit your documents directly at this page. You can also navigate to see notifications or any messages. And if you'd like to view profile information, select the person icon and click Profile in the top right. If you have any questions about your Student Financial Aid portal, please reach out to Financial Aid.